Have you ever wondered how to integrate services from different hosting providers? Perhaps you're trying to get the best of both worlds, utilizing specific features from one host while leveraging the strengths of another. It might seem like a daunting task, but fear not, this process can be broken down into manageable steps. Firstly, consider your domain settings. The domain name system, or DNS, is essentially the phone book of the internet. You'll need to make sure your domain's DNS settings are pointing to the correct hosting provider. This can be done by logging into your domain registrar's control panel and updating the name servers to the ones provided by your chosen hosts. Next, let's talk about data transfer. This is where you might need to get your hands a little dirty. You'll have to manually transfer files, databases, and configurations from one hosting provider to another. This process involves downloading from one host and uploading to the other. It's a crucial step to ensure your website migrates smoothly. Now, if you're lucky, your hosting providers might offer API capabilities. APIs are a set of rules that allow programs to talk to each other. If available, APIs can be used to connect or transfer data between your hosting providers. So dive into their documentation and see if there's an API that fits your needs. Moving on to email and other services. If you use domain-based email, it's important to set up email services or MX records correctly with both hosting providers. This step is vital to avoid any disruptions in your email services. Finally, don't be shy about reaching out for assistance. The technical support teams from both providers can be a valuable resource. They might offer specific guidelines or assistance for integrating their services, making your life a whole lot easier. To sum up, integrating services from different hosting providers involves adjusting your DNS configuration, manually transferring data, potentially utilizing APIs, correctly setting up email services, and not being afraid to ask for help. Remember, these methods may vary depending on the services you're integrating, so always take backups and proceed with caution. This is especially important when making changes that could impact your live website or services. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to integrating services from different hosting providers. Remember, with a little patience and careful planning, you can create a seamless integration that leverages the strengths of multiple hosts.